In this video, I'm going to show you how to set TradingView charts on MatchTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do when you sign into your account, you want to go to the Trade tab up top, and then from here you can see by default this is not a TradingView chart. So to set a TradingView chart here instead, you want to go to the top right of your chart, and as you can see there's the TradingView logo, and you can click on this toggle button to refresh your chart, and there we go. We now have our TradingView chart directly inside our MatchTrader platform. Now, of course, you can then go ahead and trade whatever you want over here. You can go and use their drawing tools here directly on your screen. You could go and, for example, like free draw, you could add different indicators up top. As you can see, you have like time intervals. You have the option to edit these chart types. You can, of course, add indicators if you want to as well. You can go and compare symbols, stuff like that. Okay, so you also have the chart settings. If you want to play with these, they're over here. You can change whatever you want on your chart, and then down here bottom right you can click on this button, and it's going to allow you to basically set more additional settings. So that's essentially how to set a TradingView chart on MatchTrader. That's how to enable it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.